Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel CAD with Vikram. So today in this video I am going to discuss one of the most important setting. That setting is how to create our own shortcut keys for any commands. So in NX you can see there are many commands, there are many tools. If you want to define your own shortcut keys, then how to define? Already for some commands shortcut keys is defined. You can see here for profile already defined with Z, for arc already defined with a letter. So like that you can see for circle also defined in 3D tools, also for feature tools also you can see for extrude X is defined, but for another tool just see for revolve there is no any shortcut keys, for hole there is no any shortcut keys. So you can define your shortcut keys for any commands if you want to define. So it will help you to create like a productive work. So suppose already you define any shortcut keys, then suppose you are not able to find any command, so directly you can use your shortcut keys. Okay, so you will not waste your time for searching any command, for finding any command, so directly you can use with the help of shortcut keys. So in this video we are going to discuss that how to define our own shortcut keys. So first of all, right click on any tab, like I am right clicking here and go for customize. Okay, in bottom you will see here customize option is here, just click on that. And then next what you have to do, simply you have to click on keyboard. Okay, so no need like you have to keep your cursor here. Okay, it should be like selected, or tools or bar should be selected, no, anywhere. If you are anywhere, no issue, just you have to click on keyboard. So just go for keyboard, like a keyboard button you are going to define, that's why you are coming here keyboards. So first of all just you have to care here like a categories. Okay, so in categories what you have to do, see in what, because of there are many commands, many tools, so according to categories you can find out the tools. Suppose I am going to define for revolve. Okay, so just you can see here insert. So see carefully, in insert there are many menu, you can see like a curve, a sketch constraint, there are many menu like that. So simply I am going for design feature. So you can see because revolve, hole, like the tools you will get here in design feature. So I'm clicking here in design feature. In design feature you can find out from here like extrude, revolve. So while I'm clicking here in extrude, you can see here already key is defined with the X. So suppose here it will show like a green, mean already defined, so this is possible. Okay, you can use this. But in revolve, see there is no any shortcut keys. For block there is no any shortcut keys, for cylinder there is no any shortcut keys, for cone there is no any shortcut keys. So you can see there are many. For hole there is no any shortcut keys, but if you want to define you can define. So see I am going to define for revolve. So what you have to do, just come here like a press new shortcut keys. So you are going to define. Suppose you are trying to define something like a letter. Suppose I am defining here R. Okay, so R, so well, you can see here like a currently assigned, so R is defined for rectangle, so you can't define here. Okay, so just change it. Suppose if you want to define like a, okay, R is defined, so I want to define REC like that. If you want to apply, so you can't apply here like a 3 letters, so in single letter just go and apply. So I'm applying any another letter, I will see that is possible or not. Suppose I'm applying here, just see one thing also here. Suppose you are defining here R and you are going for assign, so you will see here like a cross, like a red, okay, red icon you can see here. Man, this is not possible, so just select it and remove it. So now I'm defining something like a H. Okay, something like a H I'm defining, so just assign, you can see H is possible. Okay, so you can define this. For hole, no, just change it, just a second, remove. For revolve I want to apply V and just assign. V is not also not possible, I think somewhere is defined. I'm applying just apply E. See this is possible or not. E is also for quick extend already defined. So define something like what we can define B. just see, B is not defined. Okay, so revolve, I defined here B, and for another one like a hole, for hole I want to define what, H. Okay, so just assign it. So for two command I defined like that, for hole and for revolve. Okay, so simply just close it, already this is assigned, close and close this. So simply if you want to use what, revolve command, so see my cursor is there directly, I'm not going to click on that revolve command, I'm not going to click here, but here also you can see this shortcut key is defined here also. For whole also you can see in bracket H. Just suppose I'm going to use revolve, so what you have to do, you have to press what, B, just press B and see your revolve command is appeared here. Okay, so this is enabled right now. If you want to use whole, just press H command. So just I pressed here H, just wait and see, like a hole is appeared here. So like that, with the help of the settings you can define your own shortcut keys. So this is one thing, and another one more settings I want to show you, like already some operational shortcut keys are defined in NX. If you want to save that file, you can save. Just see what is the procedure. So first of all, go for menu and then go for information, then go for information and then go for like this, you can see here custom menu bar. In custom menu bar there are three options, you have to go shortcut keys. Okay, so here many shortcut for many applications and command shortcut keys are assigned already. Okay, so just click here and you will get here many shortcut keys for operational shortcut keys, like you can see movie record, movie pause, stop. So like many shortcut keys are defined here. Okay, so simply from this top you can see. Okay, for file, so according to categories something is defined, like a till file you can see, for creating a file what is the shortcut keys, you can see these all are shortcut keys. For edit you can see, for edit tools there are many shortcut keys. So like that you can see view, tools, preferences, applications. So for these categories already defined, there are many shortcut keys. If you want to use, you can use these shortcut keys. You can save. If you want to save as a PDF also you can save. So simply I want to save this as a like a PDF or Word file. So simply go for save as. Okay, so sorry, here only one method is there, like a you can say two method, you can save as a text document or a HTML file. Okay, so whatever file you want to select, you can select and put any name, like a, okay, shortcut keys. Okay, so shortcut keys for NX. Okay, or I want to save this my desktop, so go for desktop and just save it, just save. After then you will get in your desktop, so you can see this file is appeared here. So like that you can save this all shortcut keys, and if you can note down, if you want to remember, you can remember this shortcut keys. So I hope guys you understand very well how to define your own shortcut keys, and also some defined like a operational shortcut keys. So also you can find here, you can memorize like all shortcut keys, otherwise also you can note down on your notebook. So thank you so much guys for watching this video, I hope you understand.